Hey guys, what's up? So, this company called the Salty Captain reached out to us and asked if we would try their product and give them a review. So, here we go. So, they sent us this bucket of goodies. They call it the Off-Road Essentials Kit. And inside, we have a drain or a bubble blower. Um, let's see. Oh, this is cool. This is called their automotive musket. This is the soap cannon. And if you scan that code, it'll show you how to use it. That's awesome. Let's see, we have brushes. We have a coarse brush and a soft brush. We have, oh, let's see, we have a microfiber wash mitt, a microfiber drying towel. Nice. Nice. Those are going to come in handy. All right, let's see. What else do we have? Grease Attack, the all-purpose, multi-purpose, sorry, degreaser. Oh, that's good for your, greasy parts like your diff cover and all that kind of good stuff. Engine. Let's see. Glass cleaner, no streak, spray and wipe. Awesome. Let's see. Oh, here we go. The four-wheel drive and RV wash. And last but not least, interior cleaner. Remove grime and dirt from inside your vehicle. Nice. And all the little spray thingies to go with it. And the bucket to use to wash. I am so excited that they reached out to us because you guys know that off-roading, overlanding gets your vehicle super dirty, and I'm always having to clean Heimdall over and over again. And right now I'm currently using the Chemical Guy products. So I'm anxious to try Salty Captain and see how it compares to our Chemical Guy products. And stay tuned and you guys can see just how good of a job it does on cleaning Heimdall. Okay, guys, so we are going to give Heimdall a bath with the new Salty Captain products. So we unboxed everything and have it all laid out. Here's the musket handle. So what we're going to do now is assemble it. First, let's take our O-rings. We've got 3 O-rings in here. Get them out. All right, so we're going to put the big one on here. Stretch it around. Make sure you seat it all the way down to the bottom. All right. Then we're going to take one of them and put it in the rear end. Whoop. Don't want to say that. We're going to take this one and put it in the back. And then we're going to take this one and put it down inside of here. This is the foam tip for the cannon. Make sure that piece is screwed on. This is the rinsing tip. It's got an adjustable. You can have a jet stream or a spray or a fine mist. This is the quick connect and disconnect here. All right, so let's get this assembled. This goes on here. This allows you to quick connect and disconnect. Screw black to black. Make sure that's good and tight so it doesn't leak. Boppity boopity, just like that. And we are ready to go. We've got the, don't forget the soap spot. You're going to put a little bit of soap in here because it's concentrated. A little bit goes a long way. So you're going to screw that on here. Now you just stick your hose in there and you're ready to go. Let me tell you, I really like this kit. It was easy to use, easy to put together. I love the smell of the interior cleaner. It worked amazingly, especially on the tread piece as you're going in and out of the door. It usually gets pretty disgusting with mud and dirt and stuff like that from off-roading, and it got it squeaky clean, bright and shiny, and it's not super slick when you step on it. You're not trying to do the splits getting in the Jeep. So overall, I give this a 2 thumbs up on this product. I will continue to use it and see how it compares to the Chemical Guy products that we normally use. So make sure you check in the description below for the link to Salty Captain. And as a bonus, use our code. It helps to save you 15% off, and it helps to support the channel as well. Make sure you check out this video next, and also hit that like and subscribe button and ring that notification bell. And if you would, leave us a comment. We respond to 100% of them. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.